Hello everyone, David Schaer here with Computers Unlimited. Distributors face lots of challenges today, from labor shortages, supply chain disruptions, to managing price increases. Here at CU, our goal is to solve these challenges with innovative software. Here's a quick rundown of our top 10 most popular applications. One of the best ways to keep employees productive and connected is with a smartphone. Tim's Mobile, Tim's Assistant, and Tim's Delivery target different parts of your business. Tim's Mobile tackles warehouse and fill plan activities, from physical inventories, cylinder counts, filling cylinders, to performing customer cylinder audits. Tim's Assistant is a one-stop shop to access customer information, create orders, check price and availability, to processing cylinder dock returns. Tim's Delivery is our most popular smartphone app. It's built for the driver and comes with tons of features. It's the most advanced app on the market today that's designed to automate and streamline the entire delivery process, from truck reconciliation to automated invoicing. Tim's Scheduler is a great tool to route and optimize deliveries. And when used with Tim's Delivery, you get the best of both worlds with real-time truck location and delivery status updates. Tim's Bulk Gas Manager tells you the optimal time to refill every single tank. And there's no manual labor required to create resupply orders. Tim's does it for you. And to increase forecasting accuracy, we've integrated telemetry data from Pulsa, Innova, Autodata, Siltech, Skybits directly into Tim's. Tim's ACM and Tim's Cipher address the market dynamics of cylinder shortages and soaring steel prices. Tim's ACM eliminates losing cylinders and maximizes your cylinder rent, while Tim's Cipher takes the guesswork out of forecasting how many cylinders to fill and replenish at each branch. Our Contract Price Manager application makes easy work of forecasting and implementing price contracts quickly and easily, reducing that time from days down to hours. While Tim's Electronic Catalog automates inventory cost updates to protect your profit margins. We offer this service with over 500 vendors who provide CU with electronic price file updates each time they publish a price to change. To reduce labor costs and shorten cash collection cycle, Tim's automates invoice processing with ePayments. And for slow-paying customers, Tim's AR Worklists puts you in complete control over the entire collection process. At CU, we believe in choices. If you're looking for a simple B2B solution for your customers to place orders, view cylinder balances, or pay off an invoice, Tim's eCommerce works great. If you're looking for a modern search and shopping experience, Evolution X eCommerce is the way to go, where we've created a set of APIs to seamlessly integrate Evolution X and Tim's. And last, we built a suite of Tim's Power BI models designed to analyze different parts of your business. We've done the heavy lifting for you by transforming your business transactions into easy to analyze information. Well, that was a quick look at our top 10 most popular software applications designed to automate your business, maximize productivity, and provide business intelligence to run your business better.